So if you have followed the pages from 115, you should create something like that about the Forward Fitness Club. So as you can see, we can have our links here. I haven't put them all in the same file, so my links is not working, but you can create a couple of them. And then you can see your format here, your list here, your images in here. And then you can have each section of it, your paragraphs in there. And then you can have your footer. So you have all of the elements that we talked about in our pages. And this is the logo of your, of your business. It could be there. So one other thing that I wanted to show you that how you can actually validate your site. So this is what you can see. So this is my web page. I want to actually validate it. So you can validate any URL you want, or if you want to upload the file, I'm going to actually upload this file that I've created here. Let me just find it. Oh, it's not here. Hold on just one second. I'm going to file my file. For example, I'm going to have this about page validated, and I can click on check. So I will upload my file that I just created, and I hit the check button. So it's taking a bit to see how the validation works. So as you can see here, the document completed, no errors, no warning. So and the execution time was 10 milliseconds. So my page looked good. So you can try that. So that's a good tool to, at the end, you validate your website here. And if there is any errors, it will actually show you. So this is a very good way to actually check after you kind of wrote your website, that you can actually run it through here and try to correct any errors that you have made, and then you can actually save it again, and then do the step 1 to 4 again, and find any errors that you have. This is a good site to check. There are some places that maybe you can get some galleries or images or something. This is called bestgallery.com. This is very interesting, if you want to start a blog, it's very interesting to look at this. So they have some portfolio here. I'm going to show you some different websites that actually you can, it would be beneficial for you. One of these is bestwebgallery.com. Another one is this one, webdesigngen.wall. Sorry, designerwall.com. And this is, again, there are different themes that are out there. A lot of marketing tips also. There are lots of CSS tips actually out there. We are going to learn a lot about this. So this is also, you can click on archive. And again, they talk about some theme, WordPress and WooCommerce themes. A lot of people are using these to create the website. WordPress, we actually try to work with WordPress and the database in COP 3718, but which is the intermediate database. But there are, again, lots of themes that you can find here. Lots of tips for marketing, email marketing and stuff. So this is a good website to have. Another one is this, illustrate.td.com. This is, again, there are a lot of drawings that are out there. You can find from newest to most popular one. So these are the inspirational kind of a drawing that are out there. Then you have the wallpapers stock. So there are some free wallpapers you can see here if you want to use them. And they have it based on the screen resolution here, even for iPad wallpapers or things like that, even based on the categories, So this is also another good website that you can use. Another one for some more pictures, free stock photos. You can search anything here, like let me see, like about anything about computer. So you will see some free stocks about computers. There you go. So these are some of the free stocks. You know, if you need to use some of these pictures, you can, they are free. And then you have this Spoon Graphic. Again, this is a good website. So free vector graphics, logo template pack, some of the free stuff. They have a lot of free PNG files that you can use. This is a very good website again to use, spoongraphic.co.uk. And they have a lot of tutorials as well. You know, especially if you want to design something in Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, they actually have them here. So this is a good website to also have. Again, this one, libsum.com, this actually you can create like some dummy content. You know, if you need some dummy content for your site to be tested, you can actually use this. You know, if you want to use it in paragraph generate, can click this and it creates some kind of a dummy content for you. Then you can copy that. Want to generate some dummy content with list, you can actually click on the list part of it. So it can create dummy content for you. And this is basically a Wonder font. You can actually click on here, you know, maybe find some free font. So basically there are a lot of you know, maybe you can see some free font in there. Also, davfonts.com. Again, there are some fonts that you can download. So in here, there's a download button, you know, that you can find your font and then download it. There are some free items and there are again some things that you have to pay. But they have also other type of foreign look font as well, if you know you're creating content in a foreign website. And then I showed you this. I think that's it. I just wanted to show you some free websites where you can get maybe free pictures or free font, or maybe it can help you with you know, developing content and things like that. But that's it for this chapter. For this week you'll have a quiz actually, and also you're gonna have you need to do an exercise which will consider your exercise number 3, and it will have 2 labs again. So you will actually do the labs at the end of this chapter. So as you have done it in chapter 2 and 1, at the end of this on page 130 of your book, you can find the lab 1, and then also you can find lab 2. In lab 1 there are 10 steps that you need to do, and in lab 2 you need to do 16 steps. And once you finish it, I want you guys to upload the files. You can zip them all together and send it to me in 2 different files. But remember, you need to send 2 files, lab 1 and then lab 2. But you can zip them together and then send it to me. Okay, I hope you have a great week. Take care. Bye for now.